So we're going to use 1 bottle of Clamato, 1 stick of butter, chicken bouillon, black pepper. I cut up 2 red onions, minced 2 garlic cloves, and then about 2 pounds of shrimp. So in a medium heat pot, we're gonna add our stick of butter. Into that, we're gonna add our garlic. Our 2 onions. And we're gonna let this cook down till the onion gets soft. We're gonna add some pepper. A little bit of our chicken bouillon, because we're gonna add the Clamato, and the Clamato already has seasoning. And I forgot to mention it, but we're gonna put chile de árbol tostado molido. And this is just to your liking, to see how spicy you like it. I like my shit spicy, so we're gonna put enough. And if you want, you could put a little bit of garlic powder. Once the onion starts looking like this, we're gonna add our Clamato. Make sure you put it on high heat now. Alright, no puedo ni abrir foto. We're gonna stir this, and once it comes up to a boil, we're gonna add our shrimp. Okay, now that it's up to a boil, you're gonna go ahead and try it. Make sure to add extra seasoning. If you need salt or more pepper, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the chicken bouillon. And maybe a little bit more pepper. Okay, go ahead and mix. Okay, now that our caldo is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and throw in our shrimp. Whoa! And shrimp cooks super fast, so it'll be ready really, really quick. Just go ahead and mix. Go ahead and leave the heat for about a minute or so, and then turn it off. Okay, now that our shrimp has changed color, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and cover it, and with the same heat, it's gonna finish cooking the shrimp. You can also, we eat this kind of like an appetizer type thing, not like a meal. You can add more Clamato if you want, or a little bit of water to make it more runny. And you could kind of eat it like a caldo, because it's kind of like a caldo. So now that the color has changed, now I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. Of course with the plate, because I don't know where the lid's at. And leave it like this for, I don't know, maybe 5 more minutes. And the shrimp should be ready.